National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 5:45 p.m. At 5:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pewtown, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. At 4:51 p.m., quarter-size hail was reported in Simerton. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tinley Park, Calumet City, Chicago Heights, Lansing, Harvey, Park Forest, Homewood, Madison, Frankfort, Steger, Pewtown, South Holland, Country Club Hills, Hazel Crest, Richmond Park, Sauk Village, Flossmere, Frankfort Square, Linwood, and Glenwood. Including the following interstates: Interstate 57 between mile markers 328 and 344. Interstate 94 between mile markers 73 and 74. Interstate 294 between mile markers 73 and 74. This includes First Midwest Bank Amphitheater, Governors State University, Prairie State College, and Will County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, K West 039 Chicago.